Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a board in Monday.com, a powerful work operating system that helps teams manage their work more efficiently. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a board, which is the foundation of any workflow in Monday.com. To start, log into your Monday.com account and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. To create a new board, choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. If you choose a template, Monday.com will provide a pre-built board with relevant columns and items to get you started. If you prefer to start from scratch, you will be presented with a blank board. The first step is to add columns, which represent different categories of information. Common columns include text, date, person, and status. To add a column, click on the plus sign at the top of the board. Select the type of column you want to add, and give it a name. Next, add items to your board, which represent individual tasks or projects. To add an item, click on the plus sign at the bottom of the board and fill in the relevant information. You can also add files, images, and other attachments to each item to provide more context. One of the key features of Monday.com is the ability to customize your board to fit your specific needs. You can add multiple boards, create custom views, and set up automation to streamline your workflow. To add a new board, click on the Boards tab and then click on the plus sign to create a new board. As you create your board, keep in mind best practices such as keeping your board organized, using clear and concise language, and setting up clear workflows. It is also important to establish clear ownership and deadlines for each item to ensure that tasks are completed on time. In conclusion, creating a board in Monday.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized board that helps your team work more efficiently and effectively. With Monday.com, you can streamline your workflow, improve communication, and increase productivity, all in one place.